Welcome to the Analog Advantage, where we explore how pen, paper, and even fidgeting can enhance your development. Science shows that handwriting sparks a, quote, fireworks of neural activity in your brain, activating 32 connectivity clusters, while typing shows only dim flickers. Typing is too easy, leading to mindless transcription. Handwritten note-takers scored 20% higher on conceptual understanding. Let's dive into specific analog techniques for personal development, forcing that desirable difficulty for deeper learning. Engage in handwritten morning pages for cognitive clarity, or use end-of-day handwritten reviews to activate memory consolidation pathways. This ensures your thoughts are developed, not just recorded. Handwriting goals activates motor memory, creating stronger neural pathways. Use drawing and sketching to map out decision trees, engaging visual processing. Drawing concepts nearly doubled recall compared to writing alone. Fidgeting isn't restlessness, it's functional. It stimulates the reticular activating system, raising cortical arousal for optimal cognitive processing and focus. Now let's explore analog methods that optimize meetings and leadership in professional settings. Encourage strategic doodling to activate the prefrontal cortex. Doodlers recall 29% more names. Have teams sketch complex problems before discussing them to boost creativity. Use visual note-taking for deeper processing and retention. Require leaders to draw their organizational vision before articulating it. Implement handwritten action plans in coaching sessions to reinforce commitments through motor memory. Combine movement with analog capture in walking meetings for enhanced creativity. Next, we'll look at how to intentionally integrate analog methods into curriculum and learning program development. Start with handwritten prompts to activate focused attention. Incorporate doodling breaks or concept mapping by hand mid-session to improve retention. Conclude with handwritten action planning to leverage motor memory reinforcement. Require participants to draw key concepts before presenting them with the sketch and tell method. Design progressive handwriting activities. Provide physical manipulable objects or drawing materials to help maintain optimal arousal during presentations. Finally, let's explore how to strategically integrate analog with technology for the ultimate hybrid advantage. The most powerful learning combines digital efficiency with analog effectiveness. The question is when to choose which, not whether to choose. Aim for 70% digital for efficiency, 20% strategic handwriting for deep thinking, and 10% kinesthetic for experimentation. Research digitally, then synthesize by hand. Collaborate on screens, then commit crucial decisions on paper. Sketch concepts by hand, then digitize and share them. Explore smart pens that capture handwriting digitally while preserving neurological benefits. The body is central to learning. Handwriting enhances encoding due to greater brain engagement. Try one analog technique in your next task. Returning to pen and paper isn't nostalgia. It's neurologically necessary for deep thinking, strong memory, and creative problem solving. The revolution isn't in the cloud, it's in your hands. Reach out to the Into Wisdom group if you would like more information on the techniques and activities in this video.